So it starts out, you've got a lot of like scientists and a mix of engineers. So this was a picture of me from landing night with some of the amazing women scientists on the team. And you start out with all those scientists in the morning looking at all the images coming down from Mars saying, oh, here's this cool rock, let's investigate this today. And then let's drive the rover over to the next rock. So if you pull up my next graphic, it shows a little bit about our process. So the scientists are looking at all that data coming back, and the engineers are looking at the health and safety of the rover. Did the rover stay warm enough through the night? How's the power situation looking? All that kind of engineering data just to make sure the rover's healthy. Then over the course of the day, the scientists and engineers will work together to make sure that we are getting as much science as we can out of the rover for the day, whether that's moving the robotic arm around, driving to the next location, taking pictures of cool rocks, any sort of day the scientists need. And then the latter half of the day, they'll actually sit there and write the code that will go to the spacecraft. We call them commands. And it's basically a laundry to-do list for the rover. So it'll say, do this, then do this, then do this. And then once we've written all those commands, we'll verify it, we'll run simulations, make sure it's all doing what we expect it to. And then we'll bundle all of that instructions up, and then we'll use NASA's Deep Space Network to radiate all those commands to the rover. And the rover will execute all of those commands for us. We usually send 1 to 3 days worth of commands at a time, but no live joystick for rover driving, unfortunately. Mars is just a little bit too far away to be able to talk to the rovers in real time. So we'll hear back from the rovers a couple times a day through our orbiter missions, like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, Mars Odyssey, all those cool missions orbiting Mars. They'll send all of the data back for us. And then the process starts all over again the next day. We'll, again, look at all that cool data that came back and figure out what to do next.